Hey YouTube, it's Bethany from Madeline Jean Antiques and Restoration. I'm going to do a different type of segment today. I'm going to call it, I don't know what the heck I'm doing, but I'm going to try. So this is my issue today. I started my truck up, my Toyota Tacoma truck. It's a 2013 and the air conditioning is not working. Like nothing is blowing out from the vents. I don't hear the fan kicking on, nothing, nada. No heat, no AC, zilch. So I've done some Googling, I've done some YouTubing, and it looks like it's probably the motor blower. So I just went to Advanced Auto Stores and they had one there that I bought and it was $69, and I'm hoping I can just swap them out and I can fix this myself. I'm hoping. So I'm gonna document this. I think I can manage this repair by myself, because the last thing I want to do is have a dealership charge me an arm and a leg for fixing my truck. So I'm going to document this. Let's just go right into it. Okay, this is my 2013 Toyota Tacoma. I noticed today it was very hot here in New Hampshire. I needed to run my AC and nothing is coming out of my vents. So when I turn my fan on from low to high, nothing. No air. I don't hear the fan coming on at all in regards to heat or AC, nothing. So upon Googling, I found that it's probably my motor blower or blower motor. I've heard different people pronounce it, so different ways. So I need to get into my glove compartment and check and see what's going on there. Okay, I have my glove compartment emptied, and now I need to release these pins over here. And I think it's just on one side. I've done this before. So hold on one moment. So I released that pin right here, that arm from there. It's just easy. You just squeeze it and it unlocks. You're simply going to squeeze from this side and this side. You're going to use both your hands and squeeze it in and then just release the glove compartment down. So I did that. So that's down. So the motor blower, from what I saw on another YouTube video, is under here. There she be. So what I'm gonna have to do is unplug this component here, and I guess there's 3 bolts to get it out. But what they said I should first do is check inside my cabin filter to make sure that there isn't any debris clogging up the fan or in my cabin filter. So I'm gonna take that out now. One moment. Okay, so here's my cabin filter. So I just release it like that. I do have some debris in there, so let's pull that out. See if there's anything clogging the motor blower. And I just changed this about a month ago, but I do not have a garage and my truck sits outside. So one moment. Yeah, I got a lot of presents in there. Look at that. That got really dirty. So I'm gonna clean that out. See if there's anything else clogging the motor, and we'll see if we can get it to engage. Okay guys, I just started my truck up. I cleaned out the debris from the cabin filter, and I'm gonna turn just some air on, see if that motor blower will engage. And I got nothing. Okay, so we tried that. There's nothing obstructing the motor blower, and looks like I need to take a trip to the auto parts store. So here we go. Okay guys, I went to Advanced Auto Parts and I got myself a new motor blower. Cost me 69 bucks. And now I'm gonna try and install it. So first I'm gonna shut off my truck, obviously. I just had it plugged in to charge my phone a little bit. So first what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to remove the old one. Okay, the first thing we need to do is locate the old one. That's right here. So we first need to unclip this and get it free from this clip as well. So I'm going to do that. Okay, I was able to do that with just my fingers. This just took a little while, and then this unclips. So we're gonna get it out of there. Okay, so now we have that free from the old motor blower. All right, what else do I need to do? Oh, I have 3 bolts here. There's one back here, 2, another one, 3. I'm gonna loosen those up now. Okay, to loosen the 3 bolts, I am using a 5.5 millimeter socket. All right, y'all, I got the first little bitty screw out. 2 more. Okay, you guys, second little screw off. If I can do this and this is successful, I'm gonna cry. I will legit cry. Okay, I'm on to the 3rd one. Okay, guys, I've hit a rough patch. I got all the 3 bolts, screws out of the old motor, but I don't know, it's connected somehow over here, and I can't figure out how to disconnect it. So, I'm getting a little frustrated, but I'm gonna figure this out. I gotta figure this out. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be honest, I wanna give up. I'm almost on the brink of tears. There's one last clip and I can't get it unclipped and I'm afraid I'm gonna break it. So I'm very frustrated. Isn't this how it always is? You're like 3/4 of the way through a project and you're just chugging along. You're like, yeah, I'm doing it. And then you get hit with like this boulder in your face and you're like, ugh. So that's the part that I'm at right now. Very frustrated. And the stubborn side in me, I just won't give up. So I'm gonna keep going at it till I figure it out. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just got the old one off. I was able to unclip it. Oh my gosh, I could cry. Okay, I can do this, I can do this. I got another burst of energy. Okay, this is possible. Okay, so I got the old one removed and now I'm gonna put the new one in and hopefully everything's gonna work. Okay, just to give you guys a comparison, this is the old one, the old motor blower. This is the new one. They each have 3 holes for those 3 screws. So it's the new motor blower fits in a specific way because of those screws, okay? So now I'm going to just put the new one where the old one was. Okay guys, the new one is in. It's connected and now the moment of truth. Let's go start her up. Okay, you guys ready? Moment of truth. Let's start up the truck. Okay, I have it started up. I'm gonna turn it on. I have it on low. It's working. I fixed my truck. I fixed it. I fixed my truck. Oh, I'm so excited. So excited. I can't believe I just did this. I cannot believe I just did this. Okay guys, I'm gonna put it up to high. It's definitely making a fan noise. Oh my gosh, cold AC. I can't believe I just did this by myself. Woo, you guys, I got cool air coming out. And it's working. Woohoo! I just have to tighten up that cable down there and put my glove box back on, and I am ready. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay guys, to put this back together, I put my cabin filter back in. Just make sure you check the arrows, which way your cabin filter should be placed back in. Close that back up. Has like 2 clips, so you want to hear it click. There you go. And now putting in the glove compartment box. Now I have had a doozy of a time learning how to do this, but now I know how to do it. So I will teach you all. All right, so you see those clips there? You want to line them up to your glove box, and you kind of want to have it tipped all the way down, okay? That is the best way to get this in here. And then you want to flip it up. This is hard to do while filming. Here, I'll try propping it. 1 second. Oh, there we go. It just, okay. So it's staying right there, how I put it. Now I'm going to get the arm here attached back to the side. You just have to clip it on right there, okay? Real quick, I want to share, I was able to put it in by pushing, and what you want to do is you want to hear it pop in on those sliders right there, okay? Those hinges, you want to hear it pop. So just give it a little push and you'll hear it pop on, and then you're going to put this arm right here. The arm goes on really easily. You just lift the glove compartment up to the height of the arm and just slip it over, and you should be good to go. Look at that, you guys. I fixed my truck. Okay guys, that concludes this little segment of, I don't know what the heck I'm doing, but I'm gonna try. And guess what? I succeeded. There you go. So let this be, I hope this serves as just like inspiration to other people. You can do things by yourself. Whether you're male or female, some things that we're just not used to doing. I'm not used to fixing my car by myself. So this means a lot to me that I was able to do this. So don't be afraid, try some things. You're gonna fail, you're gonna wanna quit. Trust me, halfway through this, I wanted to give up, but I just kept going at it. And it probably saved me some money. It took me about an hour to replace this blower motor, and it cost $69 for the part. So I probably saved myself some good money by not having to take it to a mechanic, take time out of my day, be without my truck, and just to buckle down and do it myself. So pretty proud. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, I'm sure I'll get a lot of comments out there. Just probably what I did wrong or whatever, but just leave a comment. If it's an uplifting comment, I would love that. More positivity, the better. And like my channel, please subscribe to it. And then I was told by my teenage son, you need to click on the bell as well as subscribing. That way you're notified of new videos that I upload. So I'm starting to do 3 different types of videos. I refinish furniture, that's my full-time gig. I'm doing some do-it-yourself projects around my house because I'm a new homeowner and I'm a single mom. So that can lead to some entertaining videos of me doing some things for the first time, which now is branching out to this. I don't know what the heck I'm doing, but I'm gonna try it. And like fixing my truck. So till I see you guys again, thank you for watching. I truly appreciate it, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.